Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people seem to have been experiencing problems with their PS3s, and they are actual sound problems, sort of not being able to hear the games properly. So what actually happens is that your PS3 as a default is not really recognizing your HDMI cable connected to the TV as far as the sound is concerned. It only gets the visual images. So the way to solve that, it's really easy. What you need to do, you need to tell your system what it needs to do. You need to tell your system to actually use the HDMI cable as an audio source, not only as a video source. And that's actually very easy. I can show you in a couple of minutes, I suppose. So stay tuned and let's see how it's done. It's very easy, no need to know settings, just need to do some really simple things. Let's get to it. Alright, so hold the power button with your finger and keep it until you hear another beep. Then leave it and push it again. Hold it. Okay, now leave it and hold it again. There you go, done. Okay, now you can normally switch it on as you would normally do. Might take a few seconds, and then you get this screen, which is actually asking you, sorry for the Italian here, but it's asking you whether you want to use the HDMI cable as a audio source as well as a visual source. So push the PS button and then you can select yes, and then it's going to bring you to this menu where it's going to ask you whether you can actually see at 1080p the image. Obviously say yes within 30 seconds and you are done. Enjoy your games. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If this worked for you, please thumb up, and if you want, why not subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.